Hey guys, this is Matt and also we just hit the 200 subscriber mark and thanks to all those souls who subscribed to the channel. With that being said, this video is a tutorial on how to shoot slow motion b-rolls, or more like how to fake it, like this. Let's fire up Premiere Pro and get started. So, to fake slow motion, the first thing you should do is to record at the highest frame rate possible. In my case, I have a Canon 1300D which shoots at 60 fps in 720p. So shoot at this setting and import the video onto your project bin. And select in and out point and drag this onto your timeline. Since my sequence is set to 1080p, the footage appears to be smaller. To solve this, head on to FX Control, click on Scale and set to 150. Now highlight the footage in the timeline and type Ctrl R. Set the speed to your liking. I always go with 60%, so let's stick with that and click OK. As you can see, it's smooth, but there are some hiccups. For that, highlight the footage, right click, go to time interpolation and click optical flow and enter to render, and boom, it's much better now. Add music to spice up the footage and that's it. That's how I do my intros. That's a wrap, and like this video if you found this tutorial helpful, and I'll see you guys another time. Stay awesome.